Good day. Again, I am your Sir Jason at your service and welcome to our video lesson in Nail Care Services Week 4. For today's lesson, we will going to discuss about proper handling of nail care tools and equipment. Our objectives are identify the proper handling of nail care tools and equipment, demonstrate proper handling of nail care tools and equipment, and observe safety and sanitation when handling nail care tools and equipment. Before we proceed to our discussion, let us have a simple recall. Let us define tools, materials, and equipment based on our previous lesson. Tools in nail care services are articles used in any nail care services which are durable or permanent and are handheld. Tools are also referred to as implements. Materials are the cosmetics and supplies that are consumed and should be replaced from time to time. They are also called consumables. Equipment are the items which are more or less durable and permanent needed for a particular activity or purpose. Proper handling of nail care tools and equipment. Nail file. Hold the file firmly in the right or left hand, as the case may be, with the thumb underneath it for support and the other four fingers on its upper surface. Place the file slightly under the free edge and file the nail from corner to center, shaping the nail. Never file back and forth, this would cause the nails to crack and split. Do not file deep into the corners, this weakens the nails, hurt the skin, and cause ingrown nails. Emery board. It is held in the same manner as the nail file. Bevel the rough surface of the nail using the fine side to smoothen it. Emery boards are discarded after use on one person. Orange wood stick. It is held in the same manner as in writing with a pencil. To loosen cuticle, work around nail for applying oil or solvent. Slightly dip the cotton tip orange wood stick and work around the base of the nail. To clean under the free edge of the nail from the center toward each side with a gentle pressure, so that live tissue at the root of the nail will not be injured. Cuticle nail pusher. It is held in the same manner as in writing with a pencil. The dull spade side is used to push back and loosen the cuticles. Keep cuticle moist using cuticle remover while working. Use the cuticle pusher in a flat position to remove dead cuticle adhering to the nail without scratching the nail plate. In using the pusher, avoid too much pressure to prevent injury on tissues. Cuticle nipper. Pick up the cuticle nipper by the handles and turn the cutting edge towards you. Place the bent tip of the index finger over the top of the shank. Place the thumb on the side of the handle and the remaining fingers over the opposite handles. Use it with utmost care to remove dead cuticle and hangnail so as not to injure live tissues. Nail cutter. Hold clippers with cutting edge downward between thumb, index, and middle fingers. Press clipper handles by squeezing them together and remove excess nail length. Nail brush. Insert the ring finger and pinky in the nail brush handles and brush the nails with a downward motion from the base to the finger tips to clean the nails and fingers. Nail bopper. Place the thumb and the ring finger under the handle of the bopper while the index and the thumb fingers are on its top and the pinky is on its side. Apply a small amount of powder over the bopper, then bop the nail with downward stroke from the base on the free edge of each nail until a smooth, clear gloss has been obtained. Buffing helps in giving the nail natural gloss and increases blood circulation to the fingertips. To prevent heating and burning sensation, lift the bopper from the nails after each stroke. Foot file. Start with the coarse side of the foot file. Gently slide it back and forth across the ball of your foot and the bottom of the toes. Still with the rough side of the file, work mostly on the outside rim of the heel. Flip the file over and repeat the process with each foot. The fine side will smoothen the skin and leave it feeling polished. Callus remover. Insert the blade into the callus remover with care. Lay the callus remover on the top thick part of the callus. Do not lay the blade above the area that is going to be cut, as this may result in cutting the soft part of the foot, resulting to open wound. Applying light pressure with a steady hand on the callus remover, gently glide it over the callus. Repeat the process if necessary until the callus is thinner. Smoothen the callus with a foot file. Pumice stone. After soaking the feet in warm soapy water, use the pumice stone to gently pop away cracked or dry skin of the feet with a soft circular motion. Never apply heavy pressure to the pumice, for this can cause sores, open wounds, and possible infection. Hand and foot spa machine. Make sure that electrical wirings are dry and protected from accidental water spillage. Set the machine to the temperature that the client can withstand. Personal protective equipment. Personal protective equipment are the garments designed to protect the wearer's body from injury or chemicals, or for job-related occupational safety and health purposes. Glove is a garment covering for the whole hand. Headband is a band of absorbent material worn on or around the head across the forehead to keep the sweat and the hair of the face. Smock gown is a loose cloak or robe worn to protect the clothes. Mask is a protective face covering for hygienic purposes and to prevent the face from chemical exposure. Now that you already have an idea on how to properly handle the nail care tools and equipment, it is time for you to practice. Get at least 3 available nail care tools in your home and try to use it applying what you have learned. Remember to sanitize first your tools before using it.